नमस्कार हांव कार्बिना बार्बोजा तुमकां हेराल्ड टीव्हीच्या खबरापत्राक येवकार दिता। कासारवानी वॉटरफॉलाची उदक अकस्मात वाडलें आनी सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर हायर सेकंडरी इस्कॉलाची शिकपी आनी शिकोवपी वाला पोलतोडी शिरकून उरली। पूण जिविताक फुडो करूंक जायना आसलेली ती काळजीदार शिकपी आनी शिकोवपी स्वता आपूण जावन उदकाचो वाल पाल करून सुरक्षीत रितीन आपणाच्या जाग्यार पावली।
On Monday, students were stuck at Kasarwani waterfall due to heavy rain's sudden rise in the water in the stream. However, parents said the students and teachers did not panic but waited for the rain to subside, and when the water level went down, they crossed the stream since they were equipped with ropes and other gear. 2 forest guards assisted them. The parents said credit has to be given to the students and teachers. The forest guard should have stopped them if there was any danger or yellow alert, since the students made entries in the forest guard register and paid the entry fee.
Yeah, no rescue had taken place from rescue means the students came on their own. None of them fell. No fire brigade or none. They just came later on. They met them on their way and they wanted to take a credit or any rescue team. They met them on the way because the students waited just till the water subsided, and because the students were already equipped with all the ropes and all those things. Okay. They were very precautions. Yeah, they were already equipped with everything. To get a credit for the fire person, they are just waiting for an excuse so that they can get a credit. Okay. Nothing was done. Okay. You can ask any of the students who are there. None of them said, no, you show me the pictures. Just around few days back, the fire department helped a student from Penjim because his leg was twisted at Pali. Yeah. They have taken photographs. Can we at least one photograph you can show me where the fire department helped a student just by catching a hand of only single student? They were not present at all. On the way when the students by themselves they came, they just waited till the water subsided. Okay. Till the water subsided. And once the water subsided, they were also having the ropes and all those things. Yeah. And they are not small kids. They are all big high secondary, big kids. Yeah. Yeah. So they just waited, and it was something 2 o'clock, 2:30 something. Yeah. They just waited, and by 3 o'clock they started crossing it. Okay. When the rain subsided, and on the way after crossing, they found this fire service, and they said how many students are there? How many students are there? Some they said everything, and they said we are 47, and they all have come safe. No, yeah. And then the fire department person is giving a call to his boss and saying, no, we have rescued everyone, all 47 we have rescued, and the teachers. They were never there only. Nor you get a person from a fire department who has helped. Fire brigade also arrived later on. Yeah, correct. It was only those 2 locals. I don't know. I think so. They were locals or they were from forest. They were in plain guard. The students. Might be the forest guard. That I don't. They were not in the uniform. They were saying they were not in the uniform. Yeah, also. They were. Yeah, and this students were having a rope. Yeah, they were having a rope. So they just threw the rope across the river, and the rope was tied to the branch or some tree on the other side. Okay. And by that time, the water subsided completely.
On Monday, the students acknowledged that they had been assisted by the forest guards and the fire and emergency services, and police came later, as was correctly reported by Herald TV.
आम्ही आता गेले आमकां कळोंक ना फ्लो हे जालो तो फ्लो अचानक वाडलो ताका लागून आमी ती वयसान सकयल देंवले फटाफट मदें ती मागीर क्रॉसींग आहा पळय ती फ्लो चड जालो क्रॉस करूंक जायना जालें कितले भुरगे आसले आमी 40 भुरगे कितल्यांक गेले तुमी आमी अरावंड सकाळी इकरांक 12 आनी कितल्यांक इन्सिडंट आतां कितल्यांक स्टक जालो तुमी आमी ऑलमोस्ट 1 o'clock भायर सुटले पावस हेवी जालो आमकां तो लोड वाडटा दिसलो फ्लो वाडटा दिसलो तो भुरग्यांक भायर काडले
सगळ्यांक सेफली कोणाक इंजुरी
काय इंजुरी ना फुली सेफ आहा
ओके आणि तुमकां हेल्प करपाक कोण कोण आसले
सद्या पयले दोगां गाड आहा पळय ते दोगां
फायर ब्रिगेड आयली फायर ब्रिगेड
मागीर पळयलें तेणें आमकां काडल्या पण मागीर फायर ब्रिगेड
वॉटरफॉल मतीर कशें दिसलें काय म्हणटा हांवें एन्जॉयड इन वॉटरफॉल उदक चड आसलें
पावस पडलो तेन्ना चड जालो सगळे मोस्टाचो येयलो आसतो मागीर मदीं तांबडी माती येवंक लागली तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें आमी वचोंक लागलेले तेन्ना खूब पावस येयलो एक आमी क्रॉस केलो एक रिवर क्रॉस केली ते वॉटरफॉल आसून येयले आमी पूण सेकंड टायमार पावता म्हणून फ्लो खूब वाडलो आनी मागीर फ्लो वाडटा वाडटा पावसूय खूब येयलो मागीर आमकां पावस काडटा फर्स्ट आमी क्रॉसींग केल्ली हांगासून थंय गेले थंय सुद्दां पावले पूण थंय आनीक फ्लो आसता
क्रॉसिंग कोणीच करू ना
येताना आमकांच मागीर परत मागीर कॉल मारले आमी फॉरेस्टाक मारले फॉरेस्टांतल्यान येयले आमकां सप्लाय तेंच्यांनी रेस्क्यू केल्या उपरांत ते पावले मागीर फॉरेस्टाक येयले तेन्ना मागीर सगळे मागीर पुलीस आनी फायर ब्रिगेड येयले मागीर दोरी बीन सगळे भोंवतून जाले मागीर दोरी
सांकवाडी भुतानी प्रोजेक्टाक सेक्शन 17A काल दोंगर कातरूंक दिवपाची परवानगीची रीत अजूनय चालू आसा पूण अजून मेरेन परवानगी दिवंक ना म्हूण टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग खात्यान तीर केलें भुतानीक पोरचेर उक्तायलेलो निशीत पडून आनी त्या जाग्यार बांदावळ अजून सुरू जावंक ना देखून TCP मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन डेव्हलपरांक शो कॉज नोटीस धाडल्या.
The TCP department has stated that approval under Section 17A, hill cutting, for the Bhutani project in Sankual is still under process and has not yet been issued. The project proponent submitted a revised plan on 2nd July 2024, which was not approved as it included an existing road up to the property. The 27,850 square meter property, previously owned by MS Petals Engineering Pvt Limited, was rezoned from orchard to settlement by then TCP Minister Atanasio Montserrat in 2002 and later to commercial under the Vasco Outline Development Plans (ODPs) of 2011, 2026 and 2030. On 21st November 2023, Bhutani applied for constructing multifamily dwelling units and villas, receiving development permission on 2nd February 2024. TCP Minister Vishwajit Rane, after protests by the Sankwal community, issued a show cause notice based on their concerns.
कोलवालीत दोग शिकोवप्यांनी ल्हान भुरग्याक बडयलो देखून तांकां सांपडायतच शिंगप्यांक खंयचीच रितीन मारूंक जायना तसलें धोरण आपणावचें म्हूण गोंयच्या सरकारान शिक्षणाच्या सगळ्या संस्थांक सकूलत धाडून कोडीत केलां. सरकारान दिलेल्या हुकुमाक कोरायेन पाडो दिवचो म्हूण सांगून ताचे आड गेल्यार कायद्याचे परिणाम भोगचे पडटले म्हूण शिक्षणाच्या खात्यान सांगलां.
Almost a fortnight after two teachers were arrested for allegedly beating a minor student, the Goa government has issued a circular enforcing zero tolerance for corporal punishment. Director of Education, Shailesh Chingade, instructed all educational institutions to strictly adopt this policy, citing the negative physical and psychological effects on children. He referred to the Right to Education Act, 2009, and the Juvenile Justice Act, which prescribe severe penalties, including imprisonment and fines, for cruelty to children. The circular emphasized the need for regular training for staff on positive disciplinary practices and urged schools to establish transparent mechanisms for students to report grievances. The Directorate of Education will conduct audits to ensure compliance with disciplinary action for violators.
गोंयच्या सैमाचेर संस्कृतायेचेर आनी लोकांच्या जिवाचेर वांकडो परिणाम जाता म्हूण उत्तर गोंयच्या गांवांतल्या लोकांक सांगाता येवन व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो कार्यावळी जशे परी TVS मोटोसोल बॉलिवूडाचे उत्सवाक आनी सांतबनाक विरोध करूंक थारायला. असल्या कार्यावळी निमितान गुन्यांव जातात, कारबार सारके आसनात, व्हडल्यान वाजप कोत्तात, येरादारीची लुटकेट आसता आनी त्या भायर फावो त्यो सवलती आसनात. ट्युरिजमाक मार बसतात तसल्यो कार्यावळीक पोरचेन आनी सरकारान विरोध करूंक आनी गोंयची संस्कृताय सांबाळूंक वावरूंक तांणी उलो मारला.
We have been in this tourism industry since 80s, and we know before the Sunburn festival came to Goa, we consider Christmas and New Year as the peak season of the year. Yes, there is no doubt that there are a lot of tourists during Sunburn, but we don't profit anything from them. Whenever we have this event, there is so much traffic that we can't even move out from our houses. We are like inside. If we want to go somewhere, we want to do shopping because we run a small restaurant. So when we want to do the shopping, we can't go out because if we go, it is always one way, and to reach back home, it takes a long time, and our things are not completed.
You see, the question here is not only of the noise pollution. We don't want sunburn for certain reasons. I mean, there is a somehow, it has not appealed to people who want peace and tranquility in the village. That's why we don't know. They have gone ahead with the tickets. You see, but apparently in the ticket itself, they are set subject to permissions. So, in which case, going to the court becomes a little bit difficult at this stage. But then the court has already pronounced that last time when Sunburn was held in 2022, the court has already pronounced that it was totally illegal. Now, whether Sunburn would still like to continue their show in Goa when they are not going to be allowed after 10 p.m. You see, that is a question. Because we know that these shows go on throughout the night and even early morning till about 4 or 5 o'clock. So I don't think any event like Sunburn or any other would like to come to a place where they are not going to be allowed after 10 o'clock. Yeah, that's what I feel.
म्हणजे तुम्ही अलाउड करतले
आम्ही allow
ना
करतो.
तुमका आफ्टर 10 जर वाजयला जाल्यार तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम
See, the problem is we would like it to be altogether this thing. So whether the courts will take action because what has happened in the past, because they have violated, because of that, whether the courts are going to do anything, we cannot anticipate.
मुंगळारा दीस दोनपारां लोटली वेर्ना हायवेचेर दोंगर कोसळून आयलो. ताका लागून हायवेयाचो वेर्ना वचपाचो रस्तो बंद उरलो. व्हडले फातर कातरलेल्या दोंगरांतल्यान देंवले आनी फुडाराक आनीकूय फातर कोसळून येवंक शकतात म्हूण उजो पालोवपाच्या खात्याच्या मनशांनी सांगलें. सांज मेरेन रस्तो मेकळो केलो.
12:05 कॉल आयिल्लें. सो आमी रोखडेच टर्न आवट केलो आनी हांगा स्पॉटार पावले की लोटली टू IDC वेर्ना IDC येता तो रोड. आनीक हांगा पळयत जाल्यार लँडस्लायड जाला. व्हडले मोठे बुलडोज पडलेले आहा. सो ते आतां JCB येवन रोड क्लियरन्स करता. आनीक आनी लेन ब्लॉक केले ट्रॅफिकाक.
किती डेंजरस
डेंजरस म्हणल्यार चड हायटीर आहा तो आनी चान्सीस आहा आनी लँडस्लायड जावपाची.
मोहित खरंगते फॉर हेरल्ड टीव्ही.
पोरण्या गोंयचे पंचायतीन नेमलेल्या नव्या सेक्रेटराचो फाटलो बॅकग्रावंड बरो ना तें पळोवन ताका पंचायतींतलो काडचो म्हूण पोरण्या गोंयचो लोक वचून पंचायतीच्या डायरेक्टराक भेटलो. खेरीत भाशेन आतां सायबाची उक्तावणी जावपाची आसा देखून पंचायतीक नवो सेक्रेटार फावो करचो म्हूण तांणी मागणी केली.
जाण आसतलें आमी एक 10 दीस 15 दीस पयलीं आमी एक इशू घेवन येयलेलो. ओल्डगोवा एक टेंटेड सेक्रेटरी येयला म्हणून आनी आमी डायरेक्टराक आनी पंचायत मिनिस्टर CMाक सगळ्यांक लेटर केल्लें सेयींग दॅट ताका बेगीन कॅन्सल करचें म्हणून. त्या टायमार आमकां डायरेक्टर मेळना आसली. आयज आमकां डायरेक्टर मेवली. तेणी आतां फूल आन्सर दिला. तिणी म्हणलें आमकां टायम दी आपूण पळयता म्हणून. आमी सांगलें आमचे डिफिकल्टीज कितें आहा कित्याक आतां खबर आहा तुका एक्सपोजन येवपाचें आहा. इट इज इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट प्लस मागीर जायते मॅटर्स आहा. आतां हायकोर्टान दिसा इलिगल बंगल्याची मॅटर आहली. तेणें एफिडेविट फायल केलें सेयींग दॅट आमी ऑक्युपन्सी दिवची ना. पूण हिंगाच तेजे पयलींच्या सेक्रेटरीन डायरेक्टर पंचायतीन एक एफिडेविट फायल केलें. तिंगा सांगलेलें हे लायसन्स कोणें दिला तेणें एक कंप्लेन केला म्हणून सेयींग दॅट सिग्नेचर आर फ्रॉड म्हणून. सो ते फ्रॉड सिग्नेचर आसतना ते लायसन्स शूड बी नल एंड वॉइड. देर इज नो पॉयंट ऑफ गिवींग ऑक्युपन्सी. सो असले सेक्रेटरी हाडून दे वॉन्ट टू लिगलायज दॅट बंगलो ओ लिगलायज अदर इलिगल थिंग्स. सो ताका आमी सेक्रेटरीक सांगलां अशें डिफिकल्टीज आहा जायते ओल्ड इश्यूज आहा विच आर व्हेरी डेंजरस टू द विलेज एंड हेरिटेज ऑल्सो. ताका लागून असलो आमकां टेंटेड सेक्रेटरी नाका म्हणून सांगला आनी शी एग्रीड ते आपल्याक मातसो टायम दी आपूण वयता म्हणून लेटर आमी ते लेटर दिल्ले तेजे आपूण डिस्कस करता आनी शील गेट बॅक टू अस. ते खंयचे फ्रॉड हेजेर सायन मारलेली सेक्रेटरीन फ्रॉड पयलींच्या सेक्रेटरीन मॅटर चालू आसा येवपीन तेणी एफिडेविटार सांगलेलें जे कोणें लायसन दिल्लें जुएन पिंटो म्हणून तिणी एक कंप्लेन केली पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन केली आनी पंचायतीन कंप्लेन केली सेयींग दॅट ही हॅड नेवर अप्लायड फॉर एनी कंस्ट्रक्शन लायसन नॉर रिन्युअल ऑफ लायसन. ते सिग्नेचर्स आहा ते रिन्युअल लायसनाचे तेच्या नांवार लायसन येयला ते फ्रॉड म्हणून सिग्नेचर. सो ते लायसन ते ज्या कोणाच्या मनशाक लायसन तेजें नांव तोच सांगता इट इज फ्रॉड म्हणून लायसन शूड बी नल एंड वॉइड न्हू.
दॅट वॉज इन 2000.
तरी सांगूंक जाय न्हू. ताका लागून सेक्रेटरी नाका म्हणटा न्हू आमी. सेक्रेटरी चेंज जायत रावता. आतां पयलींचो सेक्रेटरी आसलो तो ना आतां तो चवथो सेक्रेटरी. एवरी टायम एकलो सेक्रेटरी येतलो कोणाक खबर आसना कितें चलता तें. सो आनी हो टेंटेड हेजो ग्रावंड घेता आतां रेस मंगूस सिमिलर 4 घरां CRZ अशें दिल्ले ताका लागून तो सस्पेंड जाल्लो आनी FIR रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ली. सो ओल्ड गोवा तशें आहा ताका लागून आमकां असलो टेंटेड ऑलरेडी बॅकग्रावंड आहा तेज्या CRZ एरियान खंय मॅनिपुलेशन करपाची इलिगलिटीज सो तसले आनी ताका इजी कित्याक ताका सदांचो जाल्ले आहा सस्पेंड जाता तो पूण आफ्टर ते कांय एक्शन जायना. ऑले ऑफिसर डिसमीस जावंक जाय आसले पूण ताका तुमी इतले इम्पॉर्टंट एरियाक जेन्ना आतां इतले व्हडले इव्हेंट जावपाचो एक्सपोजन जावपाचें तेका आनी सेन्सिटीव एरियान तुमी कसले ऑफिसर कित्याक हाडटा. ऑफिसर ना तांचे कडेन क्लीन स्लेटाचे एकूय ऑफिसर ना.
पर्यावरणाचे निसंटन करून नवे प्रोजेक्ट उबे जातात अशे परिस्थितीन पोमुरपास सांकवाडी ओल्ड गोवा रेज मागस दिवार जुंव्यार आनी तिवी येवपी प्रोजेक्टांक लोकांक कोर विरोध करून निशेध उक्तायला. टीसीपी खात्यान ह्या प्रोजेक्टांक परवानगी दिल्या देखून गोंयचे पोरचेचो सरकारावेलो विस्वास उरला. मेगा प्रोजेक्टा आड लोकांन सुरू केलेली चळवळीक तेंको दितात आनी तेंको दितात जाल्यार कित्याक दितात असो प्रश्न हेराल्ड टीव्हीन साबाद जाणांक विचारलो. ताणें उक्तायलेले विचार आयचे स्ट्रीट व्हॉयसीस कार्यावळींतल्यान मांडटा.
Surely, in a democracy, voice of the people, the voice of dissent matters. And government should not act as a deaf government, because the government is elected by the people, for the people, and that is why the government has to act according to the views of the people who are from the area. Now there is a tremendous disturbance of the various citizens of Goa and various villages who have gathered and are growing dissent, voices of dissent, that there is a infiltration of builders. This government seems to be government of the builders, for the builders, by the builders, instead of being a government of the people, by the people, for the people.
It's so good to see Goans, both from north and south, coming together to fight against these mega projects, especially in eco-sensitive areas. This unity is going to be the key towards achieving people's goal, not only against these projects, but also against politicians, bureaucrats, and yes men who are roped into technical committees to blatantly connive with the real estate lobby.
आज भरपूर पावस चडलो आनी पेडणेचो नुस्त्याचो मार्केट बुडलो. पेडणे जाता तितली बेगीन नुस्त्याचो नवो मार्केट बांदचो म्हूण पेडणेचो नुस्तेकार जोस्ना कामुलकारान सरकाराक आनी नगरपालिकेक विनंती केली. नुस्त्याचो नवो मार्केट बांदता म्हूण 5 वर्सां पयलीं तांकां उतर दिलोली.
नुस्त्याक लुकसाण भरपाई झालेली, नुकसाण झाला.
जावतच जाय पाणी तो कितले भरला ते अशा हेतून ती सगळी जाणां कशी बसतात बरे तेंची म्हणून मातशी तरी काकूच करूंक जाय न्ही पावसाळ सगळेच भिजला अख्खें पाणी भरला ते कशी करतली ती सांग.
न्यू फिश मार्केट जाय म्हणटा तूं अशें.
न्यू जाय करपाकच जाय आनी लक्ष घालूकच जाय न्ही कोणी तरी.
मार्केट आता तुमकां अजून कितले वर्सां जाली सांगतात करता म्हणून अजून करना न्हू. फर्स्ट टाइम भरलं अशें उदक.
सप्टेंबराचे 22 मुख्यमंत्री मडगांवच्या क्लब हार्मोनियान हेराल्दान इस्कॉला खातीर गणेश चवथीचे वर्कशॉप घडोवन हाडले. फुडले वर्कशॉप सप्टेंबराचे 29 डिकाथलॉन कालांगूट जातले.
Herald in School Ganesh Chaturthi workshop was held on 22nd September at Club Harmonia Margao. A number of activities such as backpainting, clay modeling and a number other activities and games were organized. The resource person who organized the program for the day-long event were 1. Smart Kids Money by Dr. Celsao Fernandez, Navmark Foundation. 2. Arts and crafts artists were Aditya Bude, Saidnya Malekar, Aditi Kumar Pant, Likhraj L. Sulakar, Jugal S. Chari, Isha B. Sutar, Amisha B. Harmalkar. 3. Games and drama artists were Sammy Coelho and Anna Rodriguez. 4. Paper flying machine by the Learning Outdoors Traveling Dome.
सप्टेंबराची 23 नावेली मोदी पाद्री पियोचे संस्थानान कुशालकायेन सांत पियोचे फेस्त समारंभले. उत्तर गोंयचे केरींतले सांत फ्रांसीस झेवियराचे फिगोजेचो पाद्री हेर्मिजिनस फेर्नांदीस मिसाक मुखेल यादनीक आसलो.
Saint Padre Pio, canonized in Rome on 16th June, was a member of the Capuchin congregation, renowned for bearing the stigmata and celebrating the Eucharist with deep devotion. His tomb is located in San Giovanni, Italy, and his shrine in Goa is at Modena Velim. During the celebration, Father Dominic, the parish priest of the shrine, extended warm wishes to all on the occasion of the feast. The event was marked with fervor and reverence, honoring the life and legacy of Saint Pio. Inacio for Herald TV.
सोमारा दीस दिकारपाली स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान घडोवन हाडलेल्या ऑल लेडी ऑफ फातिमा कप फुटबॉल टुर्नामेंटाच्या खेळान पारोडेच्या फादर आग्नेलो युथ क्लबान उगे रायझिंग क्लबाचेर 3-1 गोलान जैत सोडले. हो खेळ दिकारपाली मैदानात जालो.
India Lady Fatima Cup Inter-Village Football Tournament, Melron Fernandez netted a brace, while Selvin Fernandez scored the other goal for UGM Rising. Maxon De Costa reduced the margin for Father Ignelo YSC. Father Ignelo YSC Baroda defeated UGM Rising Club 3-1. Man of the match awarded to Melron Fernandez of Father Ignelo YSC Baroda by Sports Secretary of Decapel Sports Club Dominic Costa. Inasio for Herald TV.
आयच्या कोबरापुत्रान इतलेंच. हेराल्ड टीव्ही कोबरापुत्र आयकलें देखून तुमकां देव बरें करूं. उदी कोबरा खातीर उपकार करून आमकां फेसबुकार आनी ट्विटराचेर फॉलो करात.